an air traveler, then you would understand how this is the worst time perhaps for India's aviation sector. We're talking about the Indigo crisis that is escalating almost on a daily basis. It all started on 2nd of December when a number of flights across India were cancelled. Most of them were Indigo flights. The number increased on 3rd of December. Then on 4th of December, the matter went to the regulator and then the aviation minister. Meetings happened, but today we are again seeing crisis continuing for passengers across major airports in the national capital. Times Now is bringing you all aspects of this particular story of Indigo crisis as it unfolds, and the kind of measures that are being taken both by the regulator and the government to deal with this crisis. Let's begin with some big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. Amid mass cancellations of Indigo flights, viewers, that we are witnessing, we have learnt that DGCA, the aviation regulator, has relaxed norms for Indigo Airlines. The night duty norms, in fact, have been relaxed, is what we have learned. There is a one-time exception that has been granted to the airline. Now, this has come after a meeting with the Civil Aviation Minister last evening, wherein the airline requested time till 10th of February 2026. To get more on this particular news, we are joined on the broadcast by my colleague Isha. We also have with us Somit as well as Shefali live with us, tracking the situation in different parts of the country. But Isha, to you first. One-time exception has been granted to Indigo. But today, look at the situation, hasn't changed even a bit.
Right, definitely, Hina. The DGCA has now relaxed the night duty norms for Indigo. 6 nighttime landings will be permitted per night, and the night hours have also been relaxed, is what we have found out from our sources. But this is not a permanent thing that has come up. In fact, this will be reviewed until the 10th of February is what the Indigo has sought the time of the regulator, and that is when the situation will be reviewed. But not just then, the situation will continuously be reviewed so as to ensure that passenger safety is also important, and passenger safety can also be prioritized. What we're also learning is that there is a lot of crisis on the ground. There is a lot of chaos. We have seen harrowing visuals coming in from all airports across India. From Delhi, in fact, all Indigo flights have been cancelled till 12 a.m. and a similar situation like that is rising from airports in Bombay and Chennai as well. But currently, the DGCA has tweaked up the rules for some time till Indigo actually does manage to deal with the crisis, is what we have been picking up.
Achha. Right, and another important update that we are getting for our viewers is that after giving partial relief to Indigo by modifying and giving exemptions to the airline, what we have learned is that DGCA has now made an appeal to the pilots. In fact, DGCA has written to all pilot associations. DGCA is now seeking cooperation amid the chaos that the passengers are witnessing in different parts of the country. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Shefali. Shefali, tell us a little bit more about the letter that has been written by DGCA to all the pilots and the pilot associations.
Yes, before that, let me also tell you that earlier Times Now have, through sources, have told our viewers that DGCA is considering the request that Indigo had put on during the meeting that was chaired by the Minister of Civil Aviation, and that they are thinking, and they said that first they will speak to the pilot associations and then they will consider it. But now it seems like they could not get the time to speak to the pilot association regarding the Indigo's request, and now they were forced to write an appeal from DGCA. So now the letter states, in light of current disruption due to Indigo affecting air travel, where several flights across the country have been impacted due to operational constraints, unpredictable weather patterns and rising seasonal demand, the aviation sector is experiencing significant strain. These disruptions have led to delay, passengers' inconvenience and increased pressure on airlines' operations. And now they have requested the full cooperation from all pilot bodies, associations and pilot across India. This is what the DGCA is at now. They are appealing all pilot association, be it ALPA India or FIP, to support this right now, the decision of DGCA, and then they can go ahead with the rest of the FDTL norms as per incoming future.
Well, it's very interesting to see how now appeals are being made by the regulator to pilots, to pilot associations, to cooperate in a situation like this that we are facing, the unprecedented situation that's there for the passengers, for air travelers across the country. But the question really is, what is going to happen to the reason behind the situation that we are seeing right now? Will there be any action against, the airline in this particular case? We're talking about Indigo, that allowed the situation to come to this kind of a position that now knee-jerk reactions is what we are now witnessing, that the aviation regulator and the ministry is now taking. Let's go across to my colleague Shamit as well, who's live with us from Hyderabad. Shamit, even in Hyderabad, the situation has been pretty bad. While in the national capital, all departures of Indigo Airlines, Indigo flights have been cancelled till midnight. How is it like in Hyderabad right now?
Over 100 flights got cancelled today, and right now we are reporting from the Indigo counter in the RGA, one of the biggest airports in India. And we can clearly see passengers from across, the city. They are queuing up here at the Indigo counter, and we have just received information. Even they got, information that DGCA has withdrawn this FDTL norm, but we can clearly see the situation is not normal, and we do have even special cases here at the Indigo counter. They are waiting since long time, and he is Mr. Devnath, and he came from Agartala, and we can clearly hear his plight from his own words. His son has come here for the cataract surgery and waiting for hours, stranded at the airport, and not even single arrangement was made. Relief measures were provided, not even food was given, not even accommodation was provided to Mr. Devnathji. So Devnathji, what exactly happened since when you are waiting here, and did you ask the airline staff, what did they inform?
एक्चुअली मैं सुबह 8 बजे यहाँ पर आया. बिफोर कमिंग मैंने कल रात को भी कंफर्म किया था उनसे कि ठीक इंडिगो का फ्लाइट ठीक है कि नहीं. वो बोले हाँ आपका फ्लाइट ऑन टाइम है, आप आ जाइए. तो हमने जो सुना आसपास के कैंसिल हो रहा है इसके रिगार्डिंग, इसलिए मैंने कल उनसे कंफर्म करके यहाँ सुबह 8 बजे तक आ गया. 8 बजे के आने के बाद यहाँ पर जब आ रहे थे तो बोले वेट कीजिए, कोई न्यूज नहीं अभी. तो फिर जब बोर्डिंग के टाइम आ गया,
8 बजे से यहाँ वेट कर
पर आए हैं. यहाँ फिर जब 2-3 घंटे के बाद फिर यहाँ पर गए तो वो बोले आपका सब फ्लाइट कैंसल्ड है. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, आप मुझे नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट में कर दीजिए. बोले कि नेक्स्ट 5 to 6 डेज कोई फ्लाइट अवेलेबल नहीं है.
ओके. तो आपको कुछ पानी, खाना, अकोमोडेशन?
मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. फिर मैंने वो तो बात की बात है. जब फिर मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया मुझे एक बैठने की जगह दीजिए एज आई एम डिसेबल पर्सन. वो बोले कि हमारे यहाँ पर बैठने भी जगह नहीं है. फिर मैंने बोला मैम आप तो बैठे हुए ना, यहाँ पे रूम पे सब लोग बैठे हैं, चेयर भी है, एक्स्ट्रा चेयर. तो मैं बोला एक चेयर मुझे एलोकेट कर दीजिए, मैं एटलीस्ट बैठूं. वो बोले ये स्टाफ के लिए, नॉट ओनली फॉर यू. वो बोल के
बेटे का सर्जरी हुआ है, कुछ
कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी हुआ है. डॉक्टर ने स्ट्रिक्टली बोला कि गैदरिंग में ना जाने को, 15 डेज इसको होम पे रखने को. यहाँ पर सुबह 8 से वो बिना खाए पिए बैठे हुआ है.
So see, we can clearly see he's Mr. Devnath's son, and he just underwent cataract surgery. He has to go back to Agartala, and lots of passengers. The plight, it's very unfortunate that passengers are suffering, and he's waiting here since morning 8, and not even a chair was provided by the airline staff, and they are just not even moved to just even answer to the plight of the passengers who are suffering.
Like this, there are a number of stories, heartbreaking stories that we have got from different parts of the country, from different airports where passengers are made to wait for hours, and what we are witnessing right now is knee-jerk reactions coming in from the aviation regulator as well as the ministry, and the problems for passengers really continuing. Another important aspect, viewers, is about the refunds, the flights that are being cancelled. So far, there's no clarity from the government side or from the airline side as to what happens to the refunds, whether the airline will be providing refunds to the passengers passengers or not for the flights that are being cancelled. Amidst all of this, there's some more breaking news that we are getting for our viewers, and this is from the Airport Authority of India sources. What we have learnt is that Airport Authority of India is keeping a close eye on the entire situation, and extra chairs have been deployed for the benefit of the passengers. Waiting areas also are being monitored very, very carefully. Additional housekeeping staff has been deployed. AAI is also ensuring that food prices stay unchanged. In fact, AAI is in constant touch with Indigo officials so that the inconvenience to the passengers can be minimized. Let's go across to my colleague Isha for more on this. Isha, so AAI is also now taking all possible measures to ensure the passengers who are at the airports right now waiting for their flights to take off are not inconvenienced any further.
Right, the Airport Authority of India also now stepping in, stating that they are ensuring that the ones who are stranded at the airport, they do not suffer. In fact, the DGCA and the DGCA is also conducting investigations at the airport to ensure that the passengers and the struggle that they're having is reduced as much as possible. So all agencies, all organizations coming together to ensure that passenger stress is reduced as much as possible. But the question is this too little too late? Because there are thousands of passengers who are currently stranded on terminals and on bays, and who do not have any idea of where their luggage is, who don't know when their flights are. In fact, their entire schedule has been ruptured because of the mismanagement of an airline. So definitely the AAI now coming in and hoping that there are some changes that may be made so as to ensure that the passenger safety and the passengers can be prioritized. But they are really struggling at the moment from the ground.
Well, absolutely, and this is what we are showing to our viewers right now, how the situation really is on the ground. Viewers, you can also write to us and share with us if you're one of the stranded passengers there, so that proper action can be taken. Thank you very much for the moment, Isha, Somit, as well as Shefali. Appreciate all of you for joining us with your inputs on this big story. Heading into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.